You may not think of yourself as a public speaker, but in reality, we all are. So even if you don't have to give presentations, we all have to go to meetings or interviews, or in other ways convince other people of our ideas. And I'm sure that you have experienced more than once in your life that when things really matter to you, or when the stakes are high, you get nervous and come across as less sure of yourself. This workshop is about how to feel, look, and sound more confident when you speak in public. The focus is on how you can use your voice and your body in order to connect with your audience or speaking partner and to display confidence. So you're going to learn in a small group of maximum 6 people how you can use your posture, movement, gestures, and the space around you in order to be more assertive. You will also practice and get feedback on how you can use your voice as a real communication tool. So you'll practice how to emphasize what's important and how to vary your speech to make it interesting and convincing to listen to. You will also get ideas on how to plan for each time you're going to speak in public, so that you are sure about what you want your listeners to feel and to do as a result of your intervention. And most importantly, you're going to practice several techniques for how you can manage your own anxiety and nervosity, how to center yourself, your mind and your body in order to be your best self. So join us for this fun, intense and interactive workshop. You're going to leave with tools and tips and more trust in yourself.